Okay, somebody asked me if I could do a video demonstrating both my Hoover Elite 2 U4617 and my Hoover Legacy Supreme U5099. Now, the Elite was a mid-range cleaner and the Legacy was top of the line. Now this Elite's from 91 and this Legacy's from 93. The Legacy being a later model, because they had the branding of what the vacuum was called on either the soft bag or the plastic bag door, rather than having it printed on the cleaner head like the earlier ones did. So like later Elite said Elite on the bag. But that's one difference. And the main difference that made the Legacy higher end to the Elite was the attachment use. Now the Legacy does have a stretch hose, but you could get Elites that had stretch hoses and they were the more higher up range Elites. But to use the hose on an Elite, you have to take the hose off completely from the caddy and then take this end and plug it in to the cleaner head like that, and there's your hose attached. With the Legacy, all you had to do was take it off like that and then set it to tools and it was ready to go. Now I found the suction not as strong on the Legacy for some reason as it is on this Elite. I don't know why that is. I don't know if it's due to the stretch hose. But this Legacy does have a 7-bladed fan. Most Elites have a 7-bladed fan as well, but I found that for some reason on the Elite 2s they had 9-bladed fans like this one does, so that might be another factor. The Legacy is 7.3 amps, the Elite is 5 amps, although later Elites were 7 amps. But anyway, since we're in this vicinity, the tools on the Legacy are nicely on the side, behind this little door. You've got crevice tool, upholstery tool, dusting brush, and even a spare belt on board. You get 2 wands with the Legacy. There were some Legacies that only had 1 wand, and the tool stood on the back rather than the side, like this Elite does. You see, it has the same tools: upholstery tool, crevice tool, and dusting brush, and 1 extension wand. So it's a little bit more inconvenient to use the hose on an Elite. Also the cords are different. The Legacy, being higher end, has a 11-metre cord, which I believe is about 39 or 40 feet, whereas the Elite has a 24-foot long cord, or 7.5 metres. Of course, both 120 volts, being American. The Legacy has the switch on the handle, which again was another higher end feature. As you see, the Elite has it on the side. It's a hard box Legacy, this one, of course. You could have got soft bag ones as well, but this was supposed to be the more deluxe style with the hard box, rather than the soft bag, which this has. And this is the basic soft bag. The more deluxe soft bag version was the one that had a zip on the side. With this you have to take the topper slide off to change the bag. It does have 4 height adjustments, the Legacy, and a headlight. The Elite only has 2, although some Elites did have 4 height adjustments, and it also has a headlight. Brush rolls in these currently are the same, although this Elite originally came with a single row bristled brush roll. I changed it for a double row because it picks up a lot better So that's a new brush roll, that as well. This one has a double row as well, but that came as standard with this model. Got a stair cleaning handle branded there on the Legacy. It's not branded here on the Elite, but I mean there's still a space that you could put your hand under there to use it as a stair cleaning handle. What else? Oh, the Legacy has an air freshener as well. And you can change the tablet in that. Whoops. When it loses its scent. Which that has, but I'm not really that bothered, to be honest. The Elite doesn't have an air freshener. I don't think any of them ever did. And I think that is it to talk about it, really. So I will run it for you now. I'll have to run them both separately because I only have one transformer with the US socket on it. So I think I'll run the Elite first, then I'll run the Legacy. So I'll put some bits on the floor. I'll put some Rice Krispies down, which is cereal for any Americans watching if you don't have Rice Krispies. So here goes. It's a lot quieter this than the Legacy as well, being a 5 amp motor. And here's the Legacy. Notice the difference in noise level as well, and pitch. I'll just quickly show you the tools on both. So first, the Elite. And now the Legacy. And there you go.